Easy to install. Fits 2.5-inch ball mounts. Clamps ball mount to the receiver. Easily adjusts for tight, quiet fit. Fits hollow or solid core ball mounts. Universal anti-rattle clamp fits hollow or solid core ball mounts. It is easy to install and acts as an anti-theft device as well. Available for 2 or 2.5-inch hitches. Top reviews from the United States. Save your hitch. This is a must-have if you tow or have a hitch ball on more than you don't. It cinches down and makes it rattle-free, simple. Product was super easy to install. Did exactly what I needed it to do on my 2019 F250 with a 2.5 shank.